Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the first edition of the Hawktail Hour, where we make you drunk on wrestling. This is my boy, my party partner, my tag team party partner, Teck Money, aka Teck Tonik, aka El Cabra, aka that means the goat in Spanish because the goat stands for the greatest of all time.
All the time. Hello.
The drink we are making today, tonight, whatever time you're watching this video, is the Nature Boy. This is based off of the one and only Ric Flair, if you didn't know. There is a little pre-setup to this that you need to know ahead of time. So, you're going to need a small dish like so, and you're going to need light corn syrup.
Yeah!
Woo! Slapping McDead arms over
Yeah!
here. You're going to pour a liberal amount of the corn syrup. Light corn syrup because it's not super sweet and doesn't have a super heavy flavor. You're going to take blue food coloring. You're going to add 1 drop because it's very dark. And then you're going to add about 10 to 12 drops of red food coloring.
Exactly, his forehead looks like hamburger meat.
Pretty much.
Yeah, Flair.
And then, because it's got a light flavor, you can do this with any flavor you want, but what I have is I have imitation rum extract. It tastes like the butter rum lifesavers that they used to make.
Yes.
The gold ones.
Yeah.
They used to come in like the Christmas packs.
Good.
And then I put about a half a capful in there. Then you just mix thoroughly.
So funny, that's like my favorite word to say, but not to spell.
Thoroughly.
Thoroughly. Thoroughly and indulge.
And then what you should have is this viscous red liquid. You know it's good when it sticks to the spoon. It's always going to stick to the spoon. It's goddamn corn syrup. This is why you need 2 extra plates though, because you get one.
Yes, sir.
What you're going to do is you're just going to take the glass. You're going to make sure all the edges get nice and rolled around in there. And then let it sit. It's because that's what most of Ric Flair's feuds look like. Is drippy McBlood match. Then you're done with that. Then you actually have to build the real drink. We're gonna put some ice in there. Perfect. Alright, so our base is actually going to be milk. You can also use whatever kind of milk you want if you're lactose intolerant, or if you prefer creamier drinks, you can use half and half. But you want to fill that about halfway.
About Baileys.
If you want to make it super strong, you can use Baileys. I'm going to throw in a splash of RUMCHATA. Not really because it is representative of anything, but it's going to just keep the color similar and add potency and sweetness. And then we're going to add butter shots or any kind of butterscotch schnapps because that's Ric Flair, smooth like butter. And you're going to add about an ounce of butter shots, and then you're going to add about an ounce of Goldschlager or Gold Rush or Gold anything. as long as it's your cinnamon schnapps that comes with the edible 24 karat gold flakes, because you know that's what Ric Flair is all about. It's the gold. And then you add approximately an ounce, maybe an ounce and a half, depending on how much you like cinnamon. Shake it.
Nice. Literally drinking the blood of our enemies. That is appropriate.
And then you're gonna garnish your glass with 2 ring pops, because he is the 2-time Hall of Famer.
Oh, look at that.
You go both on. You can do the 2 sides like Mickey Mouse ears. Put them both on one side. You can make them cooperate together.
Mickey Mouse it up.
And there you have it. That's the Nature Boy. That's the Ric Flair, the Nature Boy. And then you're gonna get all classy with it.
It's hard to get classy with blood.
Cheers.
Take the blood too.
Yeah. You might take the rings off because they're gonna smack you in the face. It's a little on the messy side.
Woo! Yeah, baby.
That's it. Take pictures. Make the drink. Take pictures. Show me what you got. I want to see your creations. If you made a Nature Boy, if you can somehow figure out how to garnish your glass with 16 championship belts, or a fuzzy robe, do it.
Yes, fuzzy.
We want to see it. Send pictures. Put pictures on our Facebook, the Wrestling Rundown Facebook account. They're in the description. The links, the Facebook, and comment. What you thought of the drink if you made it, and also comment drink recipes that you have that are wrestling inspired, that you want to see us make. I'll make it, I'll try it, and if I like it, it'll come up on the show. That's it for episode 1 of the Hawktail Hour. My hand is covered in blood. I'll see you next week.